Hello guys, this is me, RGPH, and welcome back again to another YouTube video. And today's video, I'm gonna showcasing another script in Bloxfruit called RinX Hub. So let's start. So this script had so many features like select weapon. You can select weapon you want, like melee, sword, or fruit. So I want to select melee. So select fast, medium, extreme, but I recommend this fast. Then upper, then you can start auto farming. So as you can see guys, it's working. Yeah, the auto farming is working. Then auto farm nearest, auto farm bone, auto kill kick prints or docking, auto farm chest, auto farm materials, auto farm boost but no boost spawn, auto farm mastery and gun mastery. So here guys, settings you can, but don't. So other farm like auto farm B2, auto farm Martiloquis, kill Darkbird, Ecoplasm, Mosquiteha, and many more here. So elite warrior is still here. Auto sturgeon sequency, auto sword, auto melee here. Auto stat, also have auto stat, auto teleport to you want island like cafe. Yeah, it's working also. Auto player, you can also kill player here. Auto fruit, you can snipe fruit here. So what is stock fruit? Then auto store, auto random, and auto collect. Auto read also here. You go to buy chief, sando, like many more. Auto shop, you can also buy meal here. Mask. You can also join server hub or join server. Then you can change marine or pirate. Devil shop. Here is the devil shop menu. Then it's working. Then color hacking also working. Title, yeah, it's working also. Awakening menu, yeah, it's working also. Auto redeem codes, auto show item, remove fog, or then let's go in race beeper. So you can also auto beeper here. Use the race to into gear like in Mirage guys, Mirage Island. Auto beeper, you can go to temple, full lever, teleport to ancient one. Auto trial ghoul horse, a ghoul and human. Then auto trial in here like angel or angel mink and others before. Auto event like Kitsune Island, go to Kitsune Island, collect Azure Ambers, buy a ship, auto kill terror shark. This is terror shark, guys. How to kill piranha shark. Like, I think that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.